Hello and welcome back to the channel TNV Academy, your trusted source for ISO standards and sustainability education. Today we are looking ahead into the future of environmental performance evaluation or EPE. What trends are shaping how organizations measure and manage their environmental impact? Let's explore what is coming next. What is Environmental Performance Evaluation? Environmental Performance Evaluation or EPE is the process of using data and indicators to measure how well an organization is managing its environmental responsibilities. Standards like ISO 14031 guide us in selecting the right indicators, tracking performance, and making better decisions. Now let's see how this practice is evolving. Trend 1. Digitalization and smart monitoring. The first major trend is digitalization. Organizations are moving from manual data collection to real-time environmental monitoring using sensors and cloud platforms. Imagine having live dashboards showing your emissions, energy use, or water consumption, helping you act instantly, not just review data monthly. This is making EPE more dynamic, responsive, and reliable. Trend 2. Integration with circular economy. The second trend is the growing link between EPE and the circular economy. Businesses are no longer just reducing waste. They are aiming to design waste out of the system entirely. That means new performance indicators like resource recovery rates, product life cycle efficiency, and material reuse are becoming more common. Trend 3. Climate and carbon accounting. Third on our list, carbon performance tracking. With the rise of climate regulations and net zero targets, companies are now focusing on carbon accounting as part of EPE. Indicators like Scope 1, 2, and even Scope 3 emissions are becoming essential. Environmental performance is no longer just local, it is now global and tied to climate impact. Trend 4. AI and predictive analytics. Next, we have artificial intelligence and predictive analytics. EPE is shifting from just reporting past data to predicting future trends. AI tools can now forecast pollution levels, resource consumption, or risk, helping organizations take preventive rather than reactive actions. Trend 5. Regulatory alignment and ESG. Last but not the least, alignment with ESG, that is Environmental Social Governance Framework and regulatory reporting. As more investors and regulators demand transparency, EPE systems are being integrated with ESG platforms and national compliance portals. This means your environmental indicators can serve multiple purposes: compliance, strategy, and stakeholder reporting. So, to summarize, the future of environmental performance evaluation is digital, integrated, predictive, and closely tied to climate goals and ESG expectations. Organizations that adopt these trends early will gain a competitive edge and contribute meaningfully to global sustainability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more updates from TNV Academy. Have questions about EPE or ISO standards? Drop them in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.